Hi and welcome. This short video demonstrates how Sigma Estimates integrates and works with BIM 360 to take advantage of true estimating and the BIM 360 platform to connect it all. Sigma Estimates also connects with Revit, 2D takeoff and 4D planning software, as well as price books in many regions. The integration to BIM 360 is easy to use from within the Sigma application and includes connecting directly to quantities from 3D models in the BIM 360 platform, publishing the estimation data back into BIM 360, creating and updating budgets and cost management, estimating issues created in BIM 360, creating checklists and inspection lists directly from the estimate to BIM 360, and the 3D, 5D viewer built on the BIM 360 platform to push valuable construction data all the way to the construction site. In the video, I'll demonstrate estimating based on quantities from the cloud, publishing the estimating data, creating budgets for cost management, and viewing the data in the browser. I'll be using this 3D model of a new office building, which I've stored already in the BIM 360 platform. Now, switching to the Sigma Estimates application, which is very familiar with the Excel user interface, we'll use the Autodesk ribbon tab to find the integration. The first thing we do is to connect to the 3D model, browse our account, the project, folders, and then the 3D model. Next, we're given the opportunity to use a price book for determining the quantities and dimensions, and that is all we need to build the first version of the estimate in less than 60 seconds. It is possible to configure which object types and parameters to include, but in this case, I'm connecting all the quantities and fetching all the parameters. As part of the process, the integration will automatically try to match with the price book to add pricing, work operations, durations, materials, checklists, classifications, and much more to the estimate. As a result of this process, you now have a breakdown structure with all the categories, object types, and each individual instance of the building elements. They're each priced, they have parameters, and they have breakdowns in work operations and resources. Using 2D takeoff integrations such as PlanSwift, the estimate may be finalized with more quantities, and Sigma has powerful features to work with overhead costs, profit analysis, and much more developed together with general contractors and subcontractors. The Insight page allows us to browse and navigate the project by different grouping and filtering, such as location, phases, CSI master format, and much more. Now, let's create a budget in BIM 360 Cost Management. Since we've used the Arasmeans price books for this estimate, we can easily set up a budget view based on their structures so that we organize by CSI, then by unit format, and then by resource type. This allows us to publish the budget in Cost Management using the same structure. All I need to do is push the Create button, since Sigma is already aware of which project in BIM 360 we used for the quantities. Now, the entire budget is created in Cost Management based on the Insight structure I defined. So let's have a look at BIM 360. The first thing I do is to browse to Cost Management. In the budget, you'll see the entire budget from Sigma, which can now be assigned for contracts and used in the flows for change orders, additional works, and much more. If we go to the edit mode, you can actually see how the breakdown from Sigma is also published to the budget, providing a better understanding of the budget numbers. Switching back to the Sigma application, let's publish the estimate data in BIM 360. This is done by clicking the Save 5D model, then browsing the account, the project, a folder, providing a name, and then clicking OK. Sigma now publishes the estimate to BIM 360 from which it may be opened, reviewed, and changed by other members of the BIM 360 projects. Also, I can now generate a link which may be used in any browser on any device to view the model together with the 5D data. The authentication is using BIM 360, which ensures that only project members can access this information. Clicking on an element provides me with all the data from the estimate, including price, proofs, durations, materials, and much more. This is very valuable information that can be used on the construction site. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Sigma, please visit the sigmaestimates.com website.